Hello everyone. In my last video, we look at how to manually link graphics reference in WinCC OA version 3.21. Today I'm going to show you how to use CTRL Scripting to automate that process and make your HMI truly dynamic. We are going to simplify the graphic reference and use script to define our parameter and connection. Let's jump straight into the SCADA and look at the code. Okay, we still use is my old project butterfly wall. Okay. So we use this one in here. Last video I use the two script code to do the job. Today I just use one. Okay. We use open this orange is script add DP connect. Oh, sorry, we just copy this one. Then go here. The first one is wall 1, second one is wall 2. Okay. Then here we add this one string DP1 in here is parameter. DP in here we define the DP string equal DP substrate. Okay. Here's DP substrate. Okay. And here DP sub DP. Okay. Then here this was new function. We can check this new function. Go to help, show function. Here's DP substrate. This function. Then we go to here. Go down. We can find DP sub DP. This only returned the dead point name. Okay. This was dead point name. In here, look here, dead point name only returned. This is string DP1, or this is string DP1 integer pattern called just returned this one, dead point name. Okay. In here, DP substrate. Okay. Now here, DP get, we shall change this one. We use DP plus in here similar DP plus, that's it. DP connect. First V1, second is V2. So this one DP, this one DP1 is test string. String the DP1 is test. This flow set point is this one. Okay. We see. Okay. Now we can test it. First we check. Is make sure here is running. Okay. Now we can test. Okay. Close. Open. Open. Close. That's it. Okay. We can check here. In here, this function, first one, is use DP connector. Most time, it's the script. First is the function is DP connector. Okay. First is the sub function. It's here is test. It's a string DP1. DP1 means is maybe test is a string. Okay. Then the float set point is V1 set point, set open, V2 set open. Then we just return this one. Okay, this DP1 from here go to DP1, DP1 go to here. Then this DP sub DP just return the string, just return here. For example, if you're this one collect set point is V1, this system V1 the set point go to float set point, then go to float set point go to the DP sub DP. This then he appoint to the DP. After that, DP get the DP, this one, V1, okay? So get point, get open, okay? All the similar, okay? That's it. DP, that point V1, DP V2. If you click, it's V2, just this one. Send to this function. Then use this one is DP V2, then go to the DP V2. Okay. So all the similar before the project, but just the script different. Okay, thank you very much.